guys, welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. I was going to draw today's video, but I think it's just going to be easier to explain it with pictures. So basically, I'm working on a new job site. They didn't send me back to the job site that I was on 2 weeks ago. So basically, it's a new construction, like it looks like apartments or something like that. So it's basically a 3/4 story apartment complex with a whole bunch of different apartment rooms, studios, one bedroom, stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the next picture. So basically I was installing a bunch of these spreader bar for lights, spreader bar light boxes. So I was installing a bunch of those, and basically what that looks like is you put them between the two studs like this. The ones that I was doing basically just cut these tips off right here, and then actually not the tips right here, but from the whole side. So basically just cut these straight off, and then basically that's my measurement to have it 1 inch, have the the light box 1 inch out, because these already stick out like 1/2 inch or whatever, and so basically just shave those off, and then it's extra 1/2 inch, so it's basically a 1 inch measurement. So I was doing a bunch of those for sconce lights when you walk in the each of the bedrooms or each of the housing units or whatever you want to call it, the studios or one bedrooms, basically the living space. So right above the switch when you walk in the door, there will be a sconce light, which is what I was working on. And then also I installed a bunch of these blue boxes, which were painted red, for smoke detector boxes. I don't know why they painted them red exactly, because that's usually for fire alarm, but anyways, installing red boxes for the smoke detectors. So basically just one in each room, unless it's a one bedroom unit, then there's one in the bedroom and one outside the bedroom. But in the studios it's just one. And basically what that looks like is kind of like this. I mean, this is just 4 of them in one picture, but basically you just nail it to the wall, kind of like this as well. Just nail it to the wall. I wasn't installing any wires or anything. There's no roof over the building yet, I assume, because it's my first day there. But anyways, it didn't look like there was no roof or anything like that. So basically we're just marking out where the boxes go, and going ahead and installing the boxes. So marking out and boxing, and yeah, just going through the 4th floor on that, and I'm pretty sure there's a couple other floors not done or whatnot. So a lot of marking out and boxing to do in a big, probably I'd say at least 100 rooms or whatever to 100 space living. I can't even talk right now, but basically on all 4 of the floors, there's probably at least 100 rooms to box, which is a lot of boxes and a lot of marking out, and then stuff like that. And then at the beginning of the day, me and the coworker that I'm working with basically went around and installed some of these boxes in the hallways for sconce lights, because the spreader bars in some areas like this, some of these spreader bars, there was a whole bunch of studs in the way. Basically where the light needed to be, there was a stud in the way, so basically had to just use a hole saw, which I don't have a picture of, but basically there's a hole saw. So basically there's a hole saw, so we had to drill a hole through there, and then the stud was behind the hole, so we just had to chip out some of the stud, and then just screw these metal boxes down for the sconce lights in the hallway. And then yeah, that was about it. So anyways, had to chip some of the wood out, and then screw the boxes in with a plastic connector in the back for the wire when it's time to put the wire in. And I think that's just about all I did today. So fire alarm, sconce lights, and a couple other boxes for the 1 bedroom unit with the doorbell and stuff like that. So basically just installing boxes today for the lights and smoke detectors and the doorbell, chime, and fire alarm. There's a couple fire alarm boxes, which is just the same as the red boxes. like this, just up on the wall at like 78 inches or whatever, for fire alarm or strobe detector or strobe, whatever. So anyways, that's what I did today, and hopefully you guys enjoy this. Hopefully this wasn't too painful to watch. If you guys don't like this, let me know in the comments, and I'll figure out something else to do instead of daily talk videos. But this is what I was working on today. So if you don't like it, let me know in the comments. If you like it, let me know in the comments. All right. If you guys liked it, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I will see you guys back here tomorrow, and I will be going off of what the comments say. So if you guys find this useful, let me know. I'll keep going. If not, then I'll do something else. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to check out the description for social medias, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload new videos, only if you want to. Thanks, guys. Peace out. See you tomorrow.